Select Bluetooth from the camera menu, select Pairing, then Add New Device. Tap Pair the camera in-app. Once the camera is found, tap Pair. Connection is complete. Next, connect to Wi-Fi to transfer files. Turn on 5 GHz Wi-Fi for high-speed transfers. Tap Transfer Photo Video. Photos and videos on your camera are displayed. You can select all files you want to import by date or select them individually. 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for high-speed image transfer. Transfer is complete. You can view photos and videos in the gallery, sort them by shooting date or by the most recent import, and filter by rating.